This is a list of some women and their children reported missing as at Saturday, May 1, 2021.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, among the list of missing females is 55-year-old Brenda King of St. Margaret's Bay, Portland, who has been missing since Tuesday the 16th of March. She is of stout build, dark complexion, about 175 centimeters or 5 feet 9 inches tall. King was last seen at home at about 9:35 a.m. by a relative. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Brenda King is being asked to contact the Port Antonio Police at 876-322-9368, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. 58-year-old Rosetta Crosby of Bay Farm Road, Kingston 11, has been missing since Tuesday the 30th of March. She is of brown complexion and slim build. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that Crosby was last seen wearing a brown dress and a pair of brown slippers. She has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Rosetta Crosby is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8184, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. An Ananda alert has been activated for 16-year-old Latisha Nuu of Fort Williams, Westmoreland, who has been missing since Tuesday, the 27th of April. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 2 inches tall. Reports from the Savannah Lamar Police are that Latisha was last seen at home about 8 p.m. wearing a grey spaghetti strap blouse, a grey jean skirt, and a pair of black slippers. All attempts to locate her have failed. Anyone with information as to the whereabouts of Latisha is asked to contact the Savannah Lamar Police at 876-955-2536, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Another alert has been activated for 14-year-old Shakirasha, a student of Balcom Drive in Kingston 11, who has been missing since Tuesday, April 27th. She is of dark complexion, stout build, and is about 132 centimeters or 4 feet 4 inches tall. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shakirasha is being asked to contact the Olympic Gardens Police at 876-923-5468, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Reports from the Olympic Gardens Police are that about 5 p.m., Shakira was last seen at home wearing a denim dress and a pair of blue slippers. She has not been heard from since. 13-year-old Rashandra Jarred, a student of Port Henderson Road in St. Catherine, has been missing since Saturday, the 24th of April. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and is about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Bridgeport Police are that Rashandra was last seen in her community about 5:10 p.m. and has not been heard from since. When last seen, she was wearing a black blouse, black pants, and a pair of grey slippers. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Rashandra is being asked to contact the Bridgeport Police at 876-988-2697, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. 15-year-old Symone Moses, who was last seen at the St. Andrew Parish Home for Girls on Thursday the 29th of April. When last seen, she was wearing a blue and white romper and pink slippers. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Symone Moses is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8185, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. 15-year-old Chanel Heath, who was last seen at home in Alexandria, St. Anne on Thursday the 29th of April. At the time of her disappearance, her mode of dress was unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Chanel Heath is being asked to contact the Alexandria Police at 876-975-1016, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Also missing is 38-year-old Rashida Blake, who was last seen along Hibiscus Drive in Kingston 8 on Sunday the 25th of April. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Rashida Blake is being asked to contact the Grants Pen Police at 876-755-1597, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. And closing out the list is 69-year-old Delores Miller of Gardner Avenue in Kingston 20, who was reported missing on Saturday the 1st of May. She is of dark complexion, stout build, and is about 5 feet 11 inches tall. Reports from the police are that Miller was last seen at home about 9:30 a.m. wearing a pink blouse and a brown and burgundy skirt. All efforts to locate her have proven futile. Anyone knowing Miller's whereabouts is being asked to contact the Duhaney Park Police Station at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!